munting talentong kanyang tinatangi. Mula sa Westwood Highlands, contestant number 7, Renzi Mar Tabangay.
Partida, buntis pa yan. Let's go, let's go.
To resist your charm, nothing's more divine than its moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget about us, it's time to mend your broken heart. The walls divide us now, so drown in these your embrace. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. The sunshine of your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life. Just like a work of art, our love will last until forever. Just like a work of art, our love will last until.
Alright! So, palakpakan po natin ulit si Renzi Tabangay. 26 years old. Kamusta nag-aaral pa? Saan?
Kamsu po.
Kamsu?
Kamsu Tansa.
Kamsu Tanza. Anong program?
ID po.
IT.
Course po.
Oo.
ID po.
IT. Okay. Sige. Ka-IT mo si ating judge number 2. Okay. Sige. Matagal ka na nasali sa mga singing contest?
Second time po.
Second. Kamusta yung first?
Okay lang. Ano lang po ng barkada yung
Puro ano? Eh, ikaw.
Tapos na siya.
Pinapush ako, eh, ikaw.
Tapos lang ko ng barkada.
Pinupush ka lang ng barkada. Okay. Pero nanalo naman. Okay lang yan. Okay, mali mo ngayon ka manalo. Okay, muli palakpakan po natin lahat from Westwood ba? Westwood Highlands, Renzi Mar Tabangay. Okay, at